I have 3 tablespoons of olive oil in my blender. I'm going to add a small piece of red onion. You can add a shallot if you prefer. I'm going to use 8 strawberries, which I halved. I'm not going to bother taking off the greens. Those greens are loaded in vitamin C and you won't even taste them. I'm going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of yellow mustard. 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of pure maple syrup, but if the strawberries are really sweet, you don't have to do this. And now we blend. You know what I forgot? Salt and pepper. So a little salt, a little pepper. So this dressing is great with any salad that you want to dress, guys. And it's low calorie, it's delicious. Wow, very nice. It'll keep in the fridge for a couple weeks. Thanks for watching, I'm gonna see you soon.